Hi everyone. So there's a short video here. Didn't expect to do this, but this time I'm here with an update on my 2020 Ford Explorer. And so far it drove fine, but I noticed a little noisy here. I noticed a couple drops of some fluid underneath. So I looked, and the transmission cooler is leaking. So not very good for a new car with 30,000 miles, but things happen. So I looked it up, went to Ford and to my Ford dealer, and they found out what it is, and it is the transmission cooler that's leaking. And so the parts are ordered. As soon as the parts come in, they'll call me and I'll bring the car in and they'll fix it. If I get a loaner car or not, that I'm not sure yet, but the vehicle will be fixed. Next step will be put the winter tires on, and then we'll be ready for the snow to come. First snow has already been here, but it was only mostly up in the mountains, as you maybe can spot. Maybe you can spot it up there. So that's about it for this video. Just a short update on the 2020 Ford Explorer, and I hope after that all the transmission trouble with all of my cars will be in the past. So that's about it, all I want to tell you for today. As always, thanks for watching. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and there will be